gangrene. Bakit kaya nagkaka-gangrene?
Hindi makagalaw eh.
Kasi yung dugo hindi nakakaabot. Kaya nandyan, nabubulok. Hanggang sasabihin na kailangan putulan. Kaya ang ginagawa ng alternative medicine, kung oras na halimbawa, kaya nating paratingin yung, yung dugo dyan sa area of infection, no, that will now save the leg from being amputated.
Okay, so this is also where acupuncture comes in. It can be very beneficial because it clears up the meridians and the energies can flow, the yin and yang can flow, and the life force of chi can flow very fluidly throughout the whole body. And that is one very important step to maintaining your wellness. Okay, from 0919-332-2949. Go ahead. Ask ko lang po kung ano ang name ng doktor na guest nyo ngayon. Doktora Kuhutan po ito ng Puerto Princesa City. Yan po, ito po ang dating Undersecretary of Health.
Director General.
Or Director General na 10 taon doon po, si Dr. Alfonso Lagaya. Ayan po, nandiyan nakikita nyo ang kanyang mobile number. Ayan, ipinapakita namin sa inyo kasi kung gusto nyo magkonsulta po kay Dr. Lagaya or want to go through some kind of acupuncture, tumawag muna kayo diyan sa mobile niya because he does not accept walk-in patients. Tumawag po na kayo para makapag-set kayo ng proper appointment.
Or kaya po sa Ospital ng Maynila.
Or yun sa Ospital ng Maynila, yung libre.
Libre po yun.
O, libreng acupuncture
Ba't pa kayo pupunta sa may bayad, may libre naman?
Every Wednesday.
Every Wednesday.
Okay.
Just to inform po, we do medical missions. We call it medical acupuncture mission. So this afternoon, wala po. Nasa Ospital ng Maynila kami. So punta po kayo dyan if you're in the vicinity. Huwag kayong pupunta next week. Because next week, we are invited by Lipa, Batangas, actually the Philippine Air Force, tumutulong kami sa mga sundalo. So the whole team of Hospital Maynila will go to Lipa para po mag-acupuncture for the whole day. Kaya sarado yung aming acupuncture clinic.
But the week after, nandun ka na.
The week after, tuloy-tuloy na naman po yan.
Ayun,
Pwede kami ma-invite. The team can go to your place and we will do acupuncture in your area. Mabilis po ang paggaling.
Okay.
Yung training, meron silang training sa mga doktor.
Yes, we
Oh,
do
yun.
that.
Katulad itong doktora na interesado.
Ang training kasi po namin, tama yun, Vic, ang training namin is every 6 months. So actually 1 year yung the whole training, every Wednesday lang. Hindi ko pa na-design yung taga Puerto Princesa kasi medyo malayo yan. Pero yung around Metro Manila or Luzon areas, meron akong trainee na ENT, galing Pantugigaraw, babiyahe siya ng gabi, darating ng Wednesday, magti-training siya buo, tapos babalik the next day.
Wow. Sipag naman. From 0935, this is an interesting question, 914-8374. Next time naman po, pakibigay naman ng pangalan nyo kung saan kayo nandun para malaman naman namin for our research. Good AM, tatanong sana ako, ano ang dahilan na may pumasok na tubig sa knees na siya ang dahilan na mag-swell ang tuhod?
Based on her statement, lumalabas meron siyang inflammation of the joint. So, isabihin nagkakaroon ng swelling, kaya yung tubig na sinasabi niya, yun. Ang ginagawa ng ibang mga classmates ko, hinihigo po yan. So, that's good in what they feel is right. For me, what I just suggest is remove the pain, acupuncture or pharmaceuticals or nutraceuticals. You just go for acupuncture para ma-remove and then you start moving around gradually. Sinabi nga po natin, kaya nagkakasakit kasi lack of movement. Kaso meron din naman nag-jogging kinabukasan. Mapapansin nyo if it's related sa severe exercise, wala pang pain today. But after 2 days, sasakit. But you just observe for another 2 days, mawala. Yun yung mga muscles na nagising. It's okay, that's normal.
Alam niyo, madalas po ang ginagawa, let's say after you exercise na putting an ice cup on your knees can help because it will draw the blood to your knees and all the healing benefits of blood flow will be yours when you put that. Sabi naman nila naman iba, bago daw mag-umpisa ng ehersisyo, hot compress naman daw sa mga tuhod, magaling din in preparation for, let's say, a vigorous exercise. Pero pagkatapos ng exercise, ice pack naman ang ilagay mo dito at mali daw makakatulong doon na hindi sumasakit ang inyong mga tuhod. Kayo dyan siguro medyo pumuputi-puti na ang buhok dyan. Marahil pwede niyong gawin yun. Napakamura lang naman ng ice pack na lalagay mo dito sa tuhod pagkatapos o kaya doon sa likod ng inyong tuhod or on top of it bago kayo mag-ehersisyo. From 0935-914-8374, gamit ang acupuncture, mai-release po ba ang tubig sa tuhod? Kasi sa akin, Doc, maraming tubig
sa tuhod.
Ang tuhod ko.
Okay. Ang acupuncture kasi po walang butas sa loob. Kaya po, it's very mechanical. Hindi sirinhilya yan na mayroong butas kasi hindi yan humihigop. Ang purpose po niyan is para gisingin yung ugat. Pag nagising na yung ugat, mawala yung pain. And then afterwards, yung inflammation magsasubside. Kasi po, kanina sa isa sa mga crew ninyo dito, masakit ang balikat. Ang ginawa ko was, I did acupressure pa lang. Nung pagdalo acupressure, sabi niya, Dok, naglalabig yung kamay ko, pero tindi ng pawis. Kita mo sa noon, naglumalabas yung mga pawis niya. That is what we call as working on the nervous system. We call it autonomic nervous system. Bumubukas yan. Pagkaalis ng karayom, sabi niya, maayos na, wala na sakit. So sana po yung mga nakikinig, magkaroon din ng advantage na mabigyan po ng ganyan privilege na gumaling po sila.
Okay, 0916-736-1553. This has got to be answered, I guess, generally. Ano po ang benefit sa katawan ng acupuncture? Wala po bang side effects?
Okay. Generally, alam ng mga tao is pain relief. So kung meron kayo sakit na rheuma o kaya mga shoulder pains o headaches or migraine, nakakatulong yan. We can also work on the organs kasi it also can lower down hypertension. It can also help patients na may hika o kaya sinisikmura o kung may mga problema sa abdo, even mga fertility concerns.
Okay.
Side effects, kapag marunong po yung doktor, which kaya nga po physician acupuncturist sa Ospital ng Maynila, hindi mga non-doctors po yun. They use the aseptic technique, single needle, tapos po hindi alam nila kung anong anatomy para hindi makapinsala kung grabing lugar ang lalagyan.
Okay. So
infections din po isang concern kapag
but basically this is for relief of aches and pains that you might experience. When acupuncture is doing and it's flowing, there is pain is in the brain. It's not in the site, no? But yung masakit will release a certain P5 signal to the brain and your brain will interpret it as pain doon sa lugar na pinanggagalingan. Anong intervention ng acupuncture? Does it then therefore block that chemical signal to the brain so you don't experience the pain?
One of the most accepted reason is what you just said. Ano po nagkakaroon ng gate control. So, ibig sabihin po, pag inacupuncture ninyo, may minute, maliliit na kuryente, papasok po yan, uunahan niya ngayon yung masakit na sensation.
Signal.
Kaya pagpunta sa brain niya, since barado na, hindi na makapasok yung more pain problems, so wala na kayong pain na mararamdaman. I would suggest this is the opportunity for you to do the exercise habang walang sakit, para sa ganun po sa ma-flush out yung toxin-causing lactic acid.
Okay, from Carmen Avantipolo, 0919-221-2562. Ano po ba ang herbal na dapat inumin pag may arthritis?
Marami po yan Merong mga pain medicines na herbal daw po ang claim. Pero marami pong claim na hindi pa rin daw ganun ka-proven. So, ang advice ko na lang po is any herbs that you put in your water and the water is hydrating, that is the best remedy.
Kung that is part of the, I think one of the things that we can do is that a proper hydration with enough water.
Tama po.
But what about glucosamine sulfate and glucosamine hydrochloride and then chondroitin and all those things which are sometimes utilized, but apparently it's not effective with everybody. Kasi yun ang problema doon.
It's not for treatment, it's for prevention. Kasi po yung chondroitin are the spare chemical component ng ating joints.
Kasi yun daw sinasabi nila doon para to restore
tama po.
The pads or the synovial tissues around in your joints. Because sabi nila yung synovial tissue daw kasi doon is 80% water.
Well, all the cells of our body is 70-80% water.
Okay, so sometimes the problem is either nagkakaroon ng leak o nabubutas yung pad, no? Or nagda-dry up for some reason because there's not enough hydration.
One of it is non-use.
Oo.
Yung kanina nga po, nagtataxi, ang lapit-lapit lang ng pupunta, nagtataxi siya. So dapat po, magsimula na siya maglakad around the neighborhood, around the park. Later on, baka susunod, wag na siya mag-taxi at lakarin na.
Nakasave pa siya ng pera.
Nakasave pa siya ng pera.
From 0922-845-4480, Noel Bautista, good AM Doc. What's the best exercise? I have spondylosis affecting my L5 pinch nerve. Would you know anyone in CDO who does acupuncture?
Opo, meron sa Cagayan de Oro, Doktora Baclig, that's one. Hanapin nyo na lang po yan. Or si Dr. Ed Tigulo is also from that area. So, or go to Davao, malapit na rin po yan. Maraming mga acupuncturists po sa Davao.
Ano kaya pwede pa niyang gawin for his pain from spondylosis?
Gayahin niyo po si Kuya Ed, Kuya Ray. Makikita po ninyo, hindi po siya sumasandal. That is to relieve your L5. L5, yun po yung duktungan po ng buto between the spine and the hip.
Pelvis.
Opo, the pelvis, which is the hips. Kapag palagi kayo naka-slouch, naiipit po yan. Gawin niyo po yung ginagawa po niya na hindi